Hey guys, this is YellowUnit with the third part of the tutorial. Well, this is the last part and not really much of a tutorial. Okay, well, as I showed you in this first part how to actually build the secret hidden door, and then I'll leave a link somewhere in this screen for the first part and the second part. Second part, I actually showed you how to make it like just a basic one. I didn't get too complicated into it. Well, not the one I actually built like right now. The new one is much better than the actual tutorial part, and I'll actually like show like walk through and like I'll explain almost everything in it. Okay, so first step is how about you guys try to spot where I actually hit it? No, crud, it's raining. Okay, well, try to spot it. Okay, so if you guessed over here somewhere, and you're close over there, yeah, it's not over there. Take another guess. Okay, well, if you guessed over here, you're correct. Well, it's just right here. This is the actual door, like I explained in my tutorial, my second part of the tutorial, that you only need 6 blocks, but I made it so believable that I'm not sure, well, this is believable or not. If you think it was, leave a comment in the comment section below. So here's the 6 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then I actually left an outside 2 switches to open and close it, and here they are. This is the closed one, this is the open one, so we need to open it. We're gonna click on it. Oh my god, I just broke the button. Give me a second, guys. And since I create a motor now, so there we go. Just opened it up, and it opened up. And let's go inside. I actually made 2 more buttons to close and open, so that we know they work. Okay, so let's look. This pretty much looks like it. This is it. Well, actually, I made 2 more walls. Well, 2 more rooms. If you saw the second part, you'd know that there's one over here and then one over here, and I actually hid the switches in under the fountain right back here. And this is the first room, and this is the schematics and the side for the little switch for the inside switch and the outside switch. And as you can see, that's the waterfall right there. This is the switch, the redstone wiring. Both pistons could be connected just by placing 2 blocks and then redstone wiring it like that. So connect the 2 switches or latches or whatever you want to call that with the redstone wiring, and same thing for the other side. I actually close this one off, and then let's open that side up as well. Basically the same thing. Close from the inside, opens, and it's basically like that's just an alternative way to do it. You could put a pressure plate over here and do it, but since I have like wiring underneath, I didn't do that. And I'll show you the actual schematic of my my work. So we're gonna go down here. So once again, the latch is right here, the 2 redstone torches, and then the rectangle like I explained in my first part and the second one. And then this is what I did. At first I placed 2 blocks over and then put my switches there, and to test it, like if it worked or not. And just starting out like that, I slowly started building my schematic out. Before I put the switches out there, which are these things over here, like I opened this from the outside, these 2 switches over here. Before I started that, like I made sure my circuit worked inside, and I placed 2 blocks over the redstone wiring, and I put my switches, and I made sure they all worked, and like it was switching as you can probably hear. It's switching back and forth. And in the second part of the video, like I showed you, like I'm not gonna remove the blocks here obviously, because that's gonna destroy the entire floor, or some of the wiring. Well, maybe I can. Oh well, what do you know? Let's just this one goes to the the close switch right there, and this one goes to the open switch. Oops, and this one over here. And this wiring that comes from underneath is all the doors pistons, this side attached together, connecting into the latch that I explained in the first and second part. And then the closing button, the 2 out there are located for the opening, or my bad, for the closing. The one goes from right here and also up there as well. The closing is on this side, and the closing is also on this side over here. And one important thing is when you're going to place a switch or anything, make sure you put a repeater behind it facing this way, or you stand like this when you right click and paste it. Oh my bad, it's moving the repeater. Place it like that, since the current's going to be coming from the switch like that, to make sure like it lights up when you do that. And obviously when you click the other one, this is going to turn off, and if it doesn't, then there's something obviously wrong with your schematic. And then this one just goes underneath, and then because I needed to like get all the other wiring done, I had to put this one had to go underneath. Since the redstone wiring only travels so far, I put a repeater in there facing this way so it'd work. And that's pretty much it. This is just a little more advanced. You don't really have to do like all of this, like adding the extra latch and stuff. That made it a little bit harder. Like adding these two is a little bit harder. Like I think it'd be essential to keep an open at least here, so you can open and leave, and then go outside and close it. And then you could like you actually you need both, but I think you can like drop down here and then go outside and close it and come back in, or you can just have like even two switches, one switch over here and one switch over here, so you can keep switching off, on and off, and make your door here, I guess. But that's the entire point of the secret's hidden door that you can get past over here. Okay, so guys, this is the part 3 of the tutorial, like I promised, and yeah, if you have any comments or like anything like any questions regarding how I did this, or any you need a little more detail, please leave it in the comment section below, and then like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.